Here's D major. We start by taking finger number 2 and placing it on fret 2 of the first string. So fret 1 and there's fret 2. Next, I'm going to place finger 3 on fret 3 of the string above that. Finally, finger 1 will go on fret number 2 of the third string. So it's just the next string up. When you strum this chord, you're aiming to only strum 4 strings. That will be strings 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this. The reason we don't strum E and A strings, the 2 thicker strings, is because the E string is just not part of the chord. The A string, technically, I guess you could. I think it just sounds much nicer if your D string, this one here, is the bass note, so the thickest string that we strum. That's the correct way to strum D.